Hey, what's up my friend? This is Anders Larsson. Let's talk about why you must use the PMES formula in all your online marketing, in all your content. Because chances are that you might be struggling with attracting people to your content, to your videos, articles, or emails. So what I'm gonna do is to create a couple of videos about the PMES formula. And in this video, I'm going to share a little bit of an overview of what it is and what it does. And then I'm going to share my number one aha moment, why I just couldn't make anything work from anything outside Legendary Marketer. Even if I got tons of articles, of videos, of help outside Legendary Marketer, I just couldn't make anything work. And this is kind of an thinking out of the box mentality. And I've never heard or read anyone talk about this. So please do me a favor, pay attention to what I'm talking at the end of this video and then share it with other people. Because once you know it, then you know how to approach content and you can learn online marketing in a way that makes sense. So without further ado, let's dive into what I want to share with you today. Planning my first videos was honestly very overwhelming and frustrating. I could see all these online marketers sharing their message so well. So I had this voice whispering in my head. You put so much work and so much time, but still the content is really not that great. I'm not that successful as they are. So what can I give my audience that they're gonna like? I mean, I didn't have the right training to get an understanding how to approach this problem. So what I'm going to share in this video is something that is really going to help you. Something that I learned in the training. And you find that in the second video in the Marketers Club live training. But I'm going to give you the big takeaways from what I learned. I know there is a lot of people that are struggling with writing articles, writing stories, and creating video content that just draw people in. It is just so amazing how really skilled content writers and article writers, copywriters, how their content is just mesmerizing. It's just a magnet. Have you ever wondered why there is so much struggle to write something that is okay and for other people it just comes naturally for them? If you know what I'm talking about and never figured out what it is not that you didn't try hard enough. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm going through a training in Legendary, and in that training I learned a 4-step formula. And this 4-step formula, I'm actually applying it in this video, and I'm going to try to apply it in most of my videos. So anyway, I'm gonna create a couple of videos of the 4-step formula, and these videos will give you an overview of what it is all about, and maybe this can help you with your writing. But if you are really serious about becoming a great copywriter and write great ad copies, because this is the things that will generate money, then you should really get it in Legendary Marketer. And this is the system that I'm using that is making me money. So I really recommend it. Just a little bit about the 4-step formula. There is an acronym for it, a 4-letter acronym. It is PMES, which stands for Problem, Massaging, Empathy, and Solution. And with the help of this 4-step formula, it will allow you to create content that better attract people to the next step. It has the potential to become a very powerful magnet. I'm just telling you that the 4-step formula is just a powerful way to let your content become a magnet that can draw people in to whatever the next step is. I just wish that I known this formula a lot earlier, but that's really the thing. If you don't have the right resource, you may be looking forever. The question is, where do you find the important information? How do you know that it is important? The information that you need to know to get success is out there for free. It is accessible, yes, but it is hidden because of all the noise, because of unimportant content that want to take your attention. Because let's say you're looking on YouTube, and YouTube will pretty much give you everything that you are searching for. Can you trust that you are searching for the right thing? Can you trust that the things you are about to learn is really focused on what you want to do and take into account how much you know. Maybe it is for people that already have an online business. Maybe it is someone that is just sharing an overview. Maybe you leave with more questions than answers. Now, instead, imagine that you have a place where all the content is planned. There is a thought behind how that content is presented, in what order. Think of your knowledge as a puzzle. The pieces that you find on YouTube and on Google, it often is hard to fit those pieces into your main puzzle. It doesn't easily say click, does it? So you are left with more questions. How do you get from where you are, and what pieces am I missing? So what you really want when you go through a training is pieces that fit from the start. Think it like a seed, growing it to a plant. Build it up from the base. Also something about the pieces that doesn't fit. Well, if it doesn't fit, you forget about it. You don't really see how that apply to what you already know. You just waste time. Basically, before I joined Legendary, I had been struggling about 10 years. I believed that I could create a puzzle on my own, and that I would finally have something, some sort of solution that would generate me more money than I would spend on it. But I never found it. I exhausted all the things that I believed would work. And in my lowest point, I found someone that guided me, a video marketer that is now my guide and sponsor, and I was guided to Legendary, and there it just totally blew me away, because I was instantly led to the place where I could build the base puzzle, the base knowledge. Whatever I learned on Legendary, the pieces that I got just fitted to the base puzzle. And that's really the thing with a puzzle. When you have placed enough pieces in the puzzle, then you kind of know what the full picture would look like. So then you can better judge if the pieces that you find on Google and YouTube is the right piece. Right, so this was the end of this video. If you want to get started building your base puzzle like I do, then click the link in the description down below this video. Sign up to my free online marketing video training, and on the next page you can get started with Legendary Marketer. And if you have any problem getting started with the system, then shoot me an email and I will help you get plugged in, as well as coach you in starting your online business. If you found that what I shared in this video was helpful to you, then smash that like button. But I don't recommend using a sledgehammer when you do that. If you want more videos like this, then why not subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I release new videos. Because I learned some awesome things in the training, something you really don't want to miss. So stick around, because I'm gonna release these videos pretty soon in the near future. So thank you for spending your time watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.